Navy. We have got different organizations of the Indian Navy on board with us as the final buyers. Different components related to Tupolev 142M aircraft, Kamau 28, Kamau 31 helicopter, etc. have to be imported from suppliers like JSC, Rosoboron Experts, JSC, Oboron Prom, Russia, Spex Techno Exports, Ukraine, etc. and to be supplied to the units at Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Vizag, Kochi and Goa. A great opening awaits you to get impaneled as the registered vendor of these well-regarded organizations. Magnitech Engineers is keen and confident to hold your hands and well prepared to tackle all the procedures involved. We guarantee you that your investment will have an enormous return, and that too in a very short period of time. With us, you can kick off with processing the order within 24 hours of getting it. Over the years, we have evolved with a set pattern of actions to get the entire process flawlessly speedy. As a fluid connector, we locate various requirements at these top-notch organizations of the Indian Navy. It's your imperative to choose the organization and the requirement as per your interest and the area of work. Magnitech Engineers arranges a meeting between the organization's representatives and the chosen foreign suppliers. You, as a registered vendor, get budgetary offer in your favor to put it forward to the organization, that is, the end user, and then get hold of sanctions and tender release from it. We make you prepared for the technical and financial committee meetings, meet the criteria of the tender, and grab the contract for the supply. After furnishing a bank guarantee to the end user, we help you get the purchase orders from it. You, as a registered vendor, allocate the orders to the enlisted supporting vendors. These supporting vendors authenticate the agreement, communicating to you on the mail, and concurrently submit the specified bank guarantee to you. We play a definitive collaborator for you in having the foreign suppliers and the supporting vendors work in tandem with each other. An accurate pro forma invoice for the import items is prepared in favor of the supporting vendors, and in view of that, stipulations are adhered to from both the sides with a fixed payment transfer to the foreign suppliers. Delivery of the items takes place on the location given by you, and the billing is made on the supporting vendors. Following the high seas sale agreements between you and the supporting vendors, they collect PDCs against the endorsement and give you the possession of the high seas sale papers. Now, after obtaining custom duty exemption certificate from the end user, you get the items from customs. In some circumstances, you may have to disburse the mandatory custom duty to get the items in the possession. At last, you deliver the imported items to the end user and get the inspection report with the authorization which ensues with the decided disbursement in your favor. Magnitech Engineers stands with you at every step of the sequence with the adequate conviction and dynamism. Access to these organizations and moreover investment in projects proffered by them is generally implausible and not obtainable. But Magnitech Engineers facilitates you to procure those deals without much ado, helps you to invest in one of the most secured businesses and become the registered vendors, and renders you a chance to interact, interplay and intermingle in the top echelons of the Indian industrial and trade spectrum. Magnitech Engineers invites you with a lifetime opportunity wrapped in the shape of a smooth business. You dare to dream, and sky is the limit.